I'm doing the same thing. But only this year, the first 4 days of Ramadan, that's why I want to meet you.
The first 4.
The first 4 days,
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'll be in Mekah.
Wow. The first 4 days you kat Mekah.
Ya betul.
Habis dah nak buat sana. Kasih makan sana.
Ya nak buat kat sana.
Okay.
So that's my intention nak buat umrah buat Ramadan dan buat iftar kat sana lah, insyaAllah. I'm aiming to get 1,000 lah for the first 4 days of Ramadan.
Okay.
Do iftar in Mekah.
Apa ni DIY lagi?
DIY betul.
DIY Ramadan Interesting.
That will go all out last 10 days lah when I come back.
Okay, boleh. Kita kasih makan yang void deck tu biasa. Kan? Groceries. And then the last 10 or last 5 days usually kita kasih macam kuih raya.
Yes.
The spill of raya pula.
Correct. That 55 for groceries, then makan $5, $2 drinks. The daily punya I will also collect for daily.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you.